Airliner engines are massive, yet whisper quiet compared to old jets. How? This is a turbofan. Unlike older turbojets, most of its thrust doesn't come from hot exhaust. It comes from this giant fan at the front. That fan pulls in a huge amount of air, and most of it, called bypass air, goes around the engine core. It never gets burned, just accelerated forward. The ratio of bypass air to core air is called the bypass ratio. Modern airliners can have bypass ratios of 10, 1 or even higher, meaning 10 times more air goes around the core than through it. That cooler bypass air wraps around the hot exhaust, mixing with it, and smoothing out turbulent shock waves, cutting down the high-pitched jet scream. It's also more efficient. Pushing a lot of air gently uses less energy than blasting a little air at supersonic speeds. That's pure Newton's third law in action.